here, and today I'm here with one of the previous year question from NDA and NA question paper, which is latest question from 2021. I already uploaded plenty of the question from 2022. Latest all the question paper I uploaded on my channel. So if you wanted to see all these videos and their detailed solution, you may check it into my playlist. So if you have any doubt, difficulty around these questions, let me know in my comment section. I will come up with some other videos. Okay, now let's get started on today's question. We'll go through understanding of question first, and then we'll move for the detailed understanding of solution. In our question, we have given how many terms are there in the expansion of one polynomial term is given in the form of a and b. Okay, so it is having 21 power, like a bracket a square upon b square plus b square upon a square plus 2, which to the power 21. Okay, so here we can see the polynomial term, which is like some special type of term is there. Okay, so that can be taken as a square, their square root. Okay, these things are possible with this term. Okay, these are the special type of the term, and we have to figure it out how many terms are there in this polynomial. Okay, and options are given. First option, it says that okay, a is 21, b 22, c 42, and d 43. Okay, so we have to figure it out which one of the option is correct, and we have given a non-zero and b non-zero. A and b both term are non-zero there. Now let's get started out today's solution. We'll go through the detailed understanding of solution. We have given that the polynomial term. Okay, so here we have a non-zero and b non-zero. Okay, so a and b both term are non-zero, and we want the expand term in the form in this expansion. Okay, a square upon b square plus b square upon a square plus 2 to the power 21. Okay, now how can we write this term a square upon b square? Don't think about their power 21 right now. So first of all, simplified this in inner bracket. Okay, so a square upon b square plus b square upon a square plus 2. Okay, so it seems like that this is the square for two terms. Okay, so how can we write this term? A square upon b square plus b square upon a square. So I want the expansion of this term only. Okay, so we'll go for their power later on. So first of all, simplified this term. Okay, so it seems like a square plus b square some plus 2 times something here. Okay, 2 times 1. So this is the form like a plus b bracket square. Okay, what is the a plus b bracket square? Which is a square plus twice of ab plus b square. Okay, try to apply this form over here. Okay, so what we will get here? A plus b bracket square. So a by b, a divided by b bracket square plus b divided by a bracket square. What I have done, I just written their power and the combined square. Okay, plus 2 times multiplied by a divided by b multiplied by b divided by a. Okay, so if you cancel a b b, you will get the original term 2. Okay, so 2 times a into b. So here we can see we have a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. Okay, so which is the expansion of a plus b bracket square. Okay, that means a by b plus b by a bracket square. Okay, so what I have done, I just reduce our given term in this format. Okay, so a by b plus b by a bracket square. Okay, now go for the further step. So put this value back to this square root. Okay, so we'll get here a by b plus b by a bracket square to the power 21. Okay, so take this 2 here. So we'll get the combined multiplication of 21 to the 42. Okay, so we get the next step here as a by b plus b by a to the power 21 to the 42. When we have base same, then we multiply their power. Okay, so it comes 42. So we have to apply one standard result from the binomial expansion. Okay, so it is very much famous result, so that anyone can understand this result easily. Okay, so we know that when we have a plus b raised to n as a term, then we write number of terms in the expansion of a plus b raised to n. Okay, so what is the number of term? So what is the number of term in a plus b raised to n, which is a n plus 1 term. Okay, how many number of term in the a plus b raised to n, which is a n plus 1 terms are there. Okay, so this is the result from binomial expansion, and we want the number of terms in this expansion, meaning for that we want the number of term in this expansion because both of these are equal. Okay, so I reduce this format here because we know that a plus b raised to n is having n plus 1 terms. Okay, so a plus b raised to n is having how many term? N plus 1. Okay, so that means 42 plus 1 terms. Okay, so 40n means here 42. Okay, so a plus b raised to n, that means a plus b raised to n is a 42. So n plus 1 is a 42 plus 1, which is a 43. Okay, and which is given in our option number D. Okay, so which is given in our option number D. Okay, now he said how easy it is. Okay, so we have to think little bit, try to reduce our given form. Okay, so as you have given here original form that you cannot identify directly the n term. Okay, because you cannot apply binomial expansion because a plus b plus c form is there. So you have to reduce into the form of a plus b. Try to observe what the format is given and apply the result. Okay, so I reduce it is here in this way, and then I am having the result a plus b raised to n is having n plus 1 term, so a plus b raised to n, so which is a 43 total number of term which is in our expansion. Okay, this is the question from NDA and NA 2021 question paper. So already I have so many questions on my channel. Okay, from all years I uploaded on my channel. So if you wanted to see this video, you may check it into my playlist. Okay, so I hope you all understood my today's solution. Nothing is difficult here. Indeed, even after, if you found anything difficult, let me know in comment section. I will come up with some other videos. Okay, so thank you everyone. Thank you for my today's lecture.